Hey everyone, and welcome back to Gizmo Rush. In today's video, I will show you some amazing camera tips, tricks and hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE phone. So let's start right away. Starting with Director's View. It is one of the best features of this phone. Just open your camera and tap on the More option, then select Director's View. This feature engages all the cameras at once and lets you switch to any camera during the recording. So if you're new to videography or a pro, then this feature is a great tool for you. Next is Single Take. With a single tap, you can take a 10-second video of the important moment to capture. This feature will create a fast-forwarded clip, a cropped shot and a filtered black and white picture from the original clip. Also, you can take a live video by tapping the tiny play button. It will show you the camera movement before and after taking the shot, which is really cool. You can also increase the capture speed by speeding up the shutter button. Go to the camera settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Intelligent Optimization, then check the minimum option. That's it. Now go back to the camera and tap the shutter button as fast as you can. But this feature does not work when using the main camera. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you tap and hold the shutter button, it will start recording the video. The Bixby Vision Accessibility is another cool feature on your S23 FE. It has 4 amazing tools to play with. Start by tapping the More option and selecting Bixby Vision. Then tap on the 3 dots in the corner and select the settings and turn on accessibility modes. Now go back to the Bixby Vision and you'll see a bunch of options like Screen Describer, Object Identifier, Text Reader, and Color Detector. If you're liking the video so far, then you can show your appreciation by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to Gizmo Rush, and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us. Do you have shaky hands, or is it the phone's camera that doesn't stay still? Well, whatever's the case, I have a trick that will keep your S23 FE's camera super still. Just open your camera, tap on the settings icon and scroll down a bit, then toggle on the Super Steady option. That's it. Now go back and shoot the video with Super Steady mode. It will stabilize the videos you capture. Similarly, if you always want to capture the best photos on this phone's main 50-megapixel camera, then navigate to Settings to Keep and you will find high picture resolutions. Just toggle it on and your Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is ready to take high-quality pictures. Also, you can learn more about S23 FE's features and specifications by tapping on the I button. What if you can customize your camera's shutter button to create GIFs? Go to Camera Settings, scroll down and select the Swipe Shutter Button to option and select Create GIF. From now on, whenever you tap and swipe your shutter button, it will start capturing photos or GIFs right away. Are you on a video call and worried about the wall behind you? If so, then you can change or add a new background to it. First, open the Galaxy S23 FE settings. Scroll down to Advanced Settings, then tap on Video Call Effects. Here, you can change the background in your video with plain color, or you can replace the plain background with a stunning wallpaper. The floating shutter button is one of the most convenient features of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE phone. To enable the floating shutter button, simply open the camera button and tap on the settings. Scroll down and select Shooting Methods, then toggle on the floating shutter button. Now exit the camera settings and you'll see an additional shutter button. Drag it to your preferred location and you're ready to take tricky shots. Whether you're capturing group shots, selfies or creative angles, the floating shutter button will provide you the flexibility and ease to get a perfect shot every time. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section how many tips, tricks and hidden features you already know. If you found value in this video, show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to Gizmo Rush and hitting the bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.